Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you're well. I hope you studied your previous lessons because today we will complete with Unit 1, Lesson 4, Part 2. Okay? In this part, we will start with a grammar section. Okay? This is very important and very easy, but you have to concentrate. Okay? If you read with me here, past continuous. Past continuous. Today, we will study using while, this word while, to link two actions or two sentences that were continuous for a period of time in the past. So again, we will use the word while to link two sentences that refer to two actions, two things that were happening for a period of time in the past. Okay, so let's read the usage. We use the past continuous to describe past actions happening at the same time as another action. As we said, two actions were continuous in the past together. Okay? Okay. Let's see the example. While she was working full-time, she was bringing up her small daughter. So here, as you see, while connects two actions, two sentences that were continuous in the past together. Okay? She was working full time. This is the first action. And she was bringing up her small daughter. This is the second action. So as we said, while connects two actions or two sentences. The two sentences, as you see, past continuous. Why? Because they were continuous together in the past for a period of time. Okay? Type teacher. Now we understand the usage of the past continuous. Why? We use the past continuous to refer to actions that were continuous together in the past for a period of time. How can I use it? What's the form of the past continuous? Before I tell you the form of the past continuous, you can look at this sentence. She was working full time. She subject, and then was, and then ing to the verb. Look at the second sentence. She was bringing up her small daughter. So she is a subject, and then was, and then we add ing to the verb. So let's see the form. The form starts with the subject, of course, and we said the subject can be he, she, it, I, you, we, Ahmed, anyone. Okay? So we start the sentence with a subject, and then after the subject we use was or were. Was or were, and after was or were the verb plus ing. Okay? Clear? Easy. Okay, teacher. When can I use was and when can I use were? As I like? No, not as I like. Was comes if the subject is he, she, it, I, or any singular noun. Okay? So again, was comes after he. So I say he was, she was, it was, I was, and I can say Ahmed was, singular noun. Okay? So again, was after he, she, it, I, or any singular noun. What about where? Any other subject. If you have any other subject like you, they, we, and so on. Okay? Let's see two examples of ours. Example number 1. While I was playing, they were shouting. What does it mean? It means I was playing and they were shouting, and the two actions were continuous together in the past. Okay? Look at the form. I, then was, then we add ing to the verb. The second sentence, they, and then were, not was, and then we add ing to the verb. Okay? Let's see the next or the second example. She was reading While we were writing. We have while in the middle. It's okay, no problem. But the two sentences in the past continuous. Let's make sure. She, and then we use was, and then we add ing to the verb. The second sentence, we, so we use were, not was, and then we add ing to the verb. This is our rule today. We talk about the past continuous using while, the word while, to connect two actions, The two actions were continuous, as we said, for a period of time in the past. But the two actions were continuous together, okay? Okay. And we said the four, subject, and then was or were, and then verb plus ing, and we have read together the examples. Now I think you guess what's the next step. What's the next step? Yes, you will have questions. Ready? Ready for the questions? These are the questions. Correct the verb. Before I read the questions, you should have a paper and a pen or pencil. I read, you will pause the video, answer, and then we will check the answers together, okay? Question 1, while I walk, they were cleaning the room. You will correct the verb walk. 2, she was running. While we play, you will correct play. Number 3, while it was raining, I learn online. You will correct the verb learn. 4, I was reading a book while they take photos. You will correct the verb take. Now, pause the video, do your job. Let's check the answers. Okay. While I was walking, they were cleaning the room. I saw the word while, and I know with while the two sentences past continuous. Then past continuous means was or were, and then ing. After I say was, and then ing to the verb. Walk will be walking. So, while I was walking, they were cleaning the room. Okay? Let's see the answer of number 2. Okay, she was running while we were playing. Okay? We saw the word while. It connects two sentences, and the two sentences past continuous, so was or were, and then ing to the verb. We say we was or we were, okay? And then we add ing to the verb play, it will be playing. So the answer is were playing. Teacher, I wrote only playing. You will lose marks. You have to say was or were first. Teacher, I said was playing. Wrong. After we say were. Was comes with he, she, it, I, and any singular noun. Let's see the answer of number 3. Okay, while it was raining, I was learning online. Okay, while, so past continuous, and the second sentence past continuous. Learn will be was learning. Why was? Because I have I. So was, and then we add ing to the verb. Learn will be learning. I was learning. If you forget to write was, you will lose marks. You have to say was or were, and then you add ing to the verb. Now let's check the answer of number 4 and the last question. Okay, I was reading a book while they were taking photos. While, so past continuous, so was or were, and then ing. They, of course, they were. They were, and take will take ing, but before we add ing, we remove the final e. Okay? As you see, there is no e. If the verb has a final e, before you add ing, you remove the e. Okay? So I was reading a book while they were taking. Okay? If your answers, all of your answers were correct, give yourself a big hand now, quickly, okay? And if you have some mistakes, you can learn from the answers we mentioned now. So, the first part today we talked about was grammar. It was past continuous with while, and we said we use while to connect or to link two actions that were continuous together for a period of time in the past, and the two actions past continuous, okay? The past continuous form was and or were, and then we add ing to the verb, okay? And of course we start with the subject. Now we have another question, writing question. It's a writing question, okay? Easy and simple writing question. Let's read it. Write a short biography of someone you like in a paragraph form. So we need to write a paragraph. What's the meaning of biography? Biography means you write about the story life or the life story of someone you like, anyone, your father, your mother, your friend, a football player, as you like, okay? So let's see this example. I write this, you can write anything else. But to write or to start writing a paragraph, you have to leave a space like this in the first sentence, okay? So again, to start writing a paragraph form, you leave a short space in the first sentence like this. And then we start writing in a sentence form, sentence, okay? I write about my father. My father was born in Alexandria in 1960. Okay, the sentence is ended. So we agreed before writing a paragraph, you should know that you have to leave a space, a short space before you start, in the first sentence only, okay, like this, okay? For example, I write about the biography of my father. You can write about the biography of anyone you like, okay? This is just an example, okay? My father was born in Alexandria in 1960. The sentence is ended. Never forget to put the full stop, okay? Let's complete. He is a doctor. He loves his job very much. He likes helping sick people. He works in a big hospital. In addition, what the meaning of in addition? In addition means and. But in the beginning of a sentence, we don't say and. It's not good. We can say in addition. It's amazing, okay? In addition, he's interested in reading stories. Moreover, what the meaning of moreover? Exactly like in addition. It means and. But we can't repeat in addition, okay? So you can say one time in addition, and the next time, moreover, he always helps my mother in the kitchen. He's so kind to us. To sum up, so this is the end. Or to conclude, he is a wonderful father. He's a wonderful father. Okay, I'll give you some pieces of advice to write a paragraph without mistakes. You have to leave a space first, and then to write short sentences. To get to be professional in writing, start writing short sentences. After that, you can write longer ones easily, okay? Like he's a doctor, short sentence. You can't make mistakes in this way. In addition, you can use linking words between sentences, like the word or the words in addition, moreover, and you will have to get practice to besides, furthermore. This is another advice, okay? One more advice, never forget the full stops, and make sure after you finish that you wrote complete sentences, subject and verb, and then complete if you want, okay? So today, to sum up what we have studied together, the first part was grammar, using while to link two actions that were continuous in the past for a period of time. The two actions together continuous, okay? And then we started this writing question, how to write a paragraph exactly about the biography of someone you like. He can be your father, your mother, your friend, or anyone. You should go now, study this, look for your homework and worksheets, and we will see you soon inshallah. Goodbye.